Okay, so basically this is what I do when my autosave contact and autoresponder stops working. Okay, so this problem usually occur when I restart my phone or I turn on the ultra mode saving settings. Okay, and also when your battery saving settings is on, or when your optimization, when the app is being optimized, it can cause this app to stop working. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, so after checking my settings, removing my battery saving settings and turning off the optimization, all I need to do is to go to the app, click hold on it, go to app info and go to force stop, go to storage and cache and clear the cache of the app. Okay, this is for the autosave contact. Now open the autosave contact app, and once it loads, just minimize it. Now next, open the autoresponder app. Just follow this step as I'm showing you. Okay, click on this menu icon here and click on doesn't work. Go to settings and go to the autosave contact, turn off and turn on the notification access back again. Do the same for the autoresponder, and boom, with these steps your autoresponder should be back working again. Okay, so I created a full guide on how to learn how to use these two apps to automate your WhatsApp. So just go ahead and watch the full guide on my YouTube channel. Now if you see this pop up like this, do not close up the app, just click on wait and you are good to go. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.